Hi, I hope you're all doing great. Let's begin directly with the introduction. Let me display the corresponding chart and you will have two chords. The A sharp major composed of the D, the F and the A sharp and the bass note of A sharp. And eventually the F major over A composed of the C, the F and the A and the bass note of A. And for the time being, I suggest you play like this. So you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, bass and chord. On 2, you play nothing. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play the bass note alone, which would give 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Verse. You'll be using this same chart.
Step 1, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through.
You have played this chart 4 times and you will need to play it another 4 times the same way to complete the verse.
Some sort of window to your right as he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came.
You reach the chorus and you will have a new chart for that section. Let me display it to you and you will have some new chords. The D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G and the A sharp and the bass note of D sharp. Then the F major that you will play with the standard bass note of F. And eventually the G minor composed of the D, the G and the A sharp and the bass note of G. And keeping the same playing method, it should sound like this.
Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life.
And at this moment, you will take the introduction chart or the verse chart and play the whole thing one more time. However, if you want to get closer to the original song, you will have to play in an arpeggio style and not the usual one. Let me display the new chart and this time you will play like this. But first, what about those colors? Within the bass column, you have 2 notes. You have one note in orange that refers to the left hand and another one in green that refers to your right hand. So for the first line, you're gonna play the A sharp with the left hand and the A sharp with the right hand. Then the A from the left hand and the C from the right hand, then A sharp left hand, D right hand, and finally A left, A right. And it's in between those bass notes that you want to play the notes, which would give you bass, F, D, F, F, D, F, then second line, F, D, F, F, D, F, third line, F, D, F, F, D, F, and then last line, F, D, F, C, F, D, F. Let me replay this entirely. 3, 4. And you replay. 3, 4.
Step 1, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through.
Just like you did for the first verse, you will need to play this another 4 times the same exact way.
Right on through. Some sort of window to your right as he goes left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came.
And you reach the chorus. Here I sang the lyrics of the first verse, but it will obviously work with the lyrics of the second verse. Let me now display the chorus chart and we will continue with arpeggios. But this time I suggest that you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the indicated number of beats, first slowly, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And now at normal speed and with the lyric, it should sound like this.
You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life.
And I'm very happy to announce that you already know how to play this song entirely. So I'll let you try this on your own and you'll finish this song with the A-sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this song and I will see you very soon in the next one.